Alright everybody, this Tuesday dump, this one's going to be kind of a quick one. Actually, we were in the middle of recording. That wasn't good, not us though. We were in the middle of recording for the weekly vlog, and then I thought, you know what, we're using this tarping system because some of the customers we go to, you can't get on the load, so they have different tarping systems that you guys have to use to tarp your loads. So I figured, you know what, let's make a quick Tuesday dump out of this system so you guys can see. So if you're in flatbedding, you guys can see how to use this. Yeah, this one we're gonna try to do real quick. Just real quick. All right, we're gonna roll that intro real quick. All right, so really easy breezy, guys. This one, all it does is it drops down these hooks. All right, you hook these on the D-rings of your tarp, steel or lumber, and then you simply just raise it up, over, drop it on the load, and then you fine tune it from the ground. You want this one. Yep. All right, and then you're gonna use this button. Yep. There should be an up, which brings it up. Ooh. Look at that nifty All right, then when I go, stop. All right, so you see how we have this part draping? That's as far as I'll go up high-wise. So go up until it's just past the top of the load. All right, right there. Now go, it should be reverse, the reverse button. There you go.
Can you adjust that side to side?
You mean left and right?
When I come back on the trailer.
Yeah, stop right there. Go down. And just bring it down so you can reach the hooks. And then as you guys can see, the tarp is now on the trailer, like so. We just have to go ahead and fix this and adjust it. And then we do it with the other tarp. All right, let's fix this tarp real quick. So you get on that end, I'll get on this end. You're gonna have to pull a lot your way. Keep going. Should be good. All right, I'm gonna bring it this way. Actually, where's this? Bring. So one ring. One ring. So it's about, it's actually, yeah, it's pretty center. No, we don't need to. This load doesn't go the full length of the trailer. I said on loads that go the full length of the trailer, you have to use. We just have to bring it until the touches the deck. No, keep going. We gotta pull this. You gotta still cover the load. A little more. A little more. Right there. Let's go just a smidge. Alright. Should be good for now. So this is the buttons. You just have up, down, on, off, forward and reverse, or northwest, depending on, you know, where you're loading at. Sweet. And then what we're gonna do is just gonna unroll it. He did it backwards, but it's all right. Well, no, you're good. It still works. It's just now you went past the front, so now I gotta pull this back. If you start at the front, work your way back. It's kind of like you're on top of the load, but not on the load. Work smarter, not harder, you know what I'm saying? Let's open her up. And use the buttons. Go down, brings it down. All right, if you want to do the button again, so I can get a different angle with the camera. And then he's just raising up the tarp. And then he's bringing the tarp over. And tarp down. Super duper. Yeah, I'll take that. Okay, I got it. I'm just gonna get it out of the way. Another thing you guys are gonna notice, we didn't bring it past the front of the load. We stopped short of the front of the load, so then that way when we pull it forward or we pull it back, that way we put some tension in the tarp, so that way the tarp looks nice. All right, just like we did before. Let go just a little bit more. Perfect. All right, guys, and that's it. That's pretty much the easiest, simplest, pretty short video, but that's how you use what I'm gonna call the cable tarp machine. This thing right here. All right, just lowers the cables down. You hook up your tarp to it, and then you just pull your tarp up, and then you drape it over the load. God. So you just hook your tarp up to, the cables come down, hook your tarp to the cables, pull the cables up, drag the tarp over the top of the load, drop the cables, unhook the tarp, and then you just fine tune the tarp from the side. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, that's how it works. If you guys, God, camera is just really unfocusing. If you guys enjoyed this week's video, or if you guys found this video helpful in any way, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button so that way you guys don't miss out on any other Tuesday dumps. And yeah, welcome to the LG family. See you guys later.